Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm talking all about a brand that I have never featured here on my channel, and that is Draper James. So I have been very curious about this brand for a long time. I absolutely love the style of their clothing and the accessories, and really wanted to try out some of their leather bags to see kind of the quality and the overall feel and how they pack up. So I was chatting with my good friend Nicole, and we both decided that we would go ahead and order bags that we liked from Draper James. We ordered these during a sale that they had a couple of weeks back, and then we would share them with you guys and kind of give a first impression of the brand, and then go from there if you guys want to see more detailed packing videos. So today's video is a team up with Nicole. I will have her links down in the description box below so you can head on over to her channel and see what bags she selected from Draper James. So today I have two different ones that I'm going to share with you. Both of them are kind of similar in style. This one here is a smaller kind of bucket leather crossbody, and then I have a larger one over here that I absolutely love. Really like. I like them both, but I really like this one. So I want to kind of go through the totes and share just my first impressions with you all. And if you would like to see a more in-detailed packing video of either of these, please let me know in the comments below so I can kind of gauge if you guys want to see more videos on these or possibly more from the brand in the future. So as always, I will have links to everything down below so that you can go see the website if you want to check out dimensions or more details about everything. I will have it all down below. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down so that we can look really up close and see all of the details on these two bags. Let's go ahead and start off by talking about the smaller of the two tote bags that I have to share with you today. This one here is the leather reversible mini tote in camel. Now, a lot of these bags here are available in additional colors on the Draper James website. They have seasonal type colors that they come out with all the time. I believe the two that I'm sharing today, as well as the ones that Nicole are sharing, are currently on sale on their website. Not 100% because they do offer different sales from time to time, but these two, last I checked, were still on the website. They just released a really pretty like light tan color. It's not quite as dark as this camel, but it's like a lighter, almost like an oat type. It's a very light tan color that looks so pretty for fall. So all of these styles are available in that color as well. You basically have two different ways that you can carry this bag. You can carry it by the small little grab handles here at the top or by the optional crossbody strap. It is adjustable down here, so if you want to make it shorter or longer, depending if you want to wear it over your shoulder or just crossbody, you have that option there. The hardware on this bag is a really pretty gold color. It's not really a brushed gold, but it's definitely not like a shiny in-your-face gold. I really like how subtle it is and how it looks with this particular camel color. I'm going to go ahead actually and remove it so that I can really show you the bag in a little bit more detail and it won't be flopping around there. So the closure on the top of this tote here is just this simple little leather clasp, if you will. It's like a little loop and the strap goes inside. You have a small little embossed Draper James logo down there at the bottom. There's no exterior pockets on this bag at all. It's the same in the front and the same in the back. I love the different stitching detail on both of these bags. This one especially, it's just very simple and sophisticated looking. The handles here are lined in both of the colors. So you have the option of this bright kind of baby blue or the camel color that's on the outside of the bag. This bag is, like I said, like the title of the bag, it is reversible. So you can actually have this camel on the inside and rock this kind of baby blue on the outside. Just depends on whatever you want to do. I will show you both here in just a second. But the inside here, when you open it up, you can actually just have that inside and it won't bug you if you don't like it there on the outside. It's literally just a small, cute little bucket tote. There's no pockets, nothing on the inside. Since it is reversible, it's the same on the inside and the outside. So you can really pack it however you want. The size is nice because you can put a couple pouches in there if you need them, or you can just put your basic things and you don't have to worry about them getting lost in the bag. I want to go ahead and stick in my, let me see what I have here. I pulled down a couple of things just for size reference to show you guys, so you can see really what fits inside. This here is my weekly simplified planner. Those of you that have this one, it is literally the perfect fit for this planner. It looks so cute. I actually really like this happy floral paired with this blue inside. It looks so good. So that kind of will give you a size reference on the bag. You can really see how big it is there next to the planner. If you have a like larger, say Erin Condren planner, this is like their regular life planner. I actually haven't tried to put this in here. I don't know if it will fit. It will, so it will fit in there, but as you can see, it's gonna like come up on the top here. So it's not the greatest fit, but you can definitely use this bag for it. It's definitely a little bit cuter here with a smaller planner, but it will fit in there for sure. So if this is a bag you guys wanna see, like I mentioned earlier, in like a full on packing video, how I would pack it up, let me know down below so that I can do this one in more detail. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around really quick and reverse it so that you can see what the blue looks like on the outside. All right, so this is what it looks like all reversed. I have a few things inside just for size reference there. But like I said earlier, it is pretty much exactly the same as the camel side, just literally reversed in a different color. So I do really like the blue with all of this camel like accent detail and the stitching. I think it's a super cute crossbody. The next bag I want to share with you guys is probably my favorite of the two. I know that they are both very different, but for some reason I just really, really like this tote. I like the quality of it, I like the simplicity of it, and I have been wanting a navy leather bag for a long time. And wait till I show you the lining. It's absolutely adorable. Before I get into the bag, I did want to mention that both bags do come with a super cute dust bag. It just says Draper James on the front there, and it's a blue and white stripe. So both bags do come with a dust bag. So this bag here is the leather tote in navy. Now on their website, Nicole actually has one of them that she's showing today. They have this leather tote, and they also have the leather tote that has a zip top. They're both exactly the same bag from what I can see, except one obviously has a zipper closure at the top and one does not. If you guys have been around on my channel for any length of time, you probably know that I love open bucket type totes. Even my totes that have zippers, I tend to just kind of tuck in the flaps on the side, and I usually don't zip them up. I just like to be able to see everything and grab what I need and not be messing around with the zippers. So this one was perfect for me. It is really, really simple in style, just like that other bag. At the very bottom here, they have a silver embossed like Draper James logo. It's just really subtle and simple. It's not like a logo that's screaming in your face or anything like that. It's just right down there at the bottom. The straps are really comfortable. They are thin, so they don't fall off my shoulder or anything like that. This might not be your jam though. I know some people, the thin straps on bags bother them. They don't me personally. I kind of like it on this particular style tote, but this is the only way that you can carry it would be tote style. So you can go ahead and grab it, or you can throw it over your shoulder. The sides of the bag here just has a simple kind of stitching detail there where the leather flap just kind of goes over. There's no pockets, nothing like that. There's no rings. It's literally just an open leather tote. The back of the bag here is exactly the same as the front. You have no additional pockets or anything like that. It's just basically missing the small little logo down there at the bottom of the bag. Looking down inside the bag, one of the things that really drew me to this particular one was the lining. I love it so much. It is a pinstripe, a white and kind of baby blue that is similar to that blue color of the small tote that I just shared with you. You have a couple of things to organize the inside. Back here in this back pocket, it's just an open pocket. There's no zipper, anything like that, but you do have a leather strap that just kind of hooks into this little ring right here for you to organize a couple of small things that you don't want to have lost down inside your bag. Opposite side of the bag over here, you do have a almost hidden zipper pocket. I didn't notice it at first, but it is a nice deep zipper pocket. You can really put a lot down in there, especially if you're using this bag, say for traveling and you want to stick your wallet or your passport or important type documents down in here. You have that option to kind of zip them and make them a little bit more secure than everything else in your bag. I cannot say enough about this one. I really like it. I like the quality of it. The leather is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put down inside of it here my laptop and my planner and maybe a book, just to kind of give you guys a good visual as to what will fit inside this bag. Again, just like the other one, if you want to see a full detailed packing video, I'm happy to do it. Just let me know down in the comments below. So that there is a 13-inch MacBook, and I have my planner and I have a book, and obviously there's so much more room down in there. So this would be a really good tote to kind of go from possibly a diaper bag to a work bag to an everyday bag. You can use it for so much. All right, so that pretty much sums up my first impressions on these two leather bags from Draper James. Make sure to head over to Nicole's channel, see which ones she's gonna be unboxing, and let me know in the comments below which one you like, which one's more your style, kind of this smaller crossbody or this big tote, and then definitely let me know if you wanna see a packing video on either one. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.